Hi guys, that's my first video on my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's Tower of Hell. Yeah, my voice look like a kid. Oh, that's easy. Yo, hey yo, the map is harassing. Okay. E- Wha- Yeah. Oh, I fall. Um. Uh huh. Okay, that's if you know that's later. My English is so bad. This hard if you want this. Oh, the the low gravity has active. Guys, why the guys doing? Um, I have zero subscribers now. Please subscribe. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, how the? Okay. No, guys, that's really hard. Guys, I have photo. Good. Guys, this is Tower of Hell game name. I can't do this. That's too easy, and I can't do it. Oh, I. Yeah, my name is Little Bacon, but my voice is like a kid. Okay, let's make shorts for this video. No. Well, I'm from Czechia, but I make English videos for most you, most you, most of you. Yeah, my English is actually bad. Write a comment. 1.10 my English rating if you understand me. Okay, easy. Yeah, for Czechia, Roblox is a Roblox. Yeah, that's actually the name. Okay, 4 minutes. Why? Why the girl is of the ends of the tower? Guys, that's too hard for me. Too hard. Yeah, right, my English. For my right is 1.10. Okay. Can you jump for? No, you can't. Hey, Max, if you're watching this video, if you don't watch, I don't kidding. Oh. No. This girl is gay. Guess what? This is a rainbow here. She love gays. Okay, good. There sis. Good. Here. Yeah, actually good. My bacon hair is yummy. Yeah, really. My bacon hair is yummy. Guys, what to she like Americans, okay, United States. This kill. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. In Czechia, is time is 10 p.m. But i- 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 Saturday is. Please subscribe now if you're watching this video. Okay, don't break anything. Oh, yeah, good. That's my first video, but this video don't have edits. But I'm bad for editing. I don't say anything, I say editing. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, good. Oh, wait. Yippee! Guys, I did it. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious right now? Okay, I need to say this actually easy, but I'm full. Good thing. Okay. I have lucky. I don't say it. My bacon hair saved it. Yeah. I'm a 17. What team? I fall. Okay. Last. Yeah. What? You team Gentle or Sami? I'm Sami team. Guys, the big head. Guys, this actually the head is like the biggest head. She have a big brain. Yeah. And I have a really good English. Guys, are you serious? Okay, I'm turning off the video.